Hey everybody, I'm Gokul from Restoration Brokers of America. So today I want to talk about transition. Okay, so when you're in conversations with any buyer, they're going to ask you, every buyer is going to ask you, how long are you willing to stay and help them transition the business after you sell the business? And there's no right answer. It really depends on what you want to do post-closing. So here's a couple of ways in which we can do it, right? You can go tell a buyer, hey, look, I absolutely want to go dip my toes in the sand. I'm going to help you for 6 months and then I'm out of here. And that's okay. But what that's going to do is reduce the valuation of your business because you're not going to be there for a long term to help transition it for a buyer, right? So now let's look at scenario number 2. You can say, hey, I'm in no hurry. I will stay with you for a year, maybe even 2 years to help you transition the business. That gives the buyers a lot of comfort that all your relationships and are going to stay with the business. All of your sales contacts are going to stay with your business. The chances are the key employees are going to stay with the business. And because the buyer is going to have more comfort level that you want to stay longer post-closing, they'll probably pay you a little bit higher for your business going forward. So one of the things you really want to think about before you even take your business to the market is what do you want to do and how do you want to help the buyer for 6 months, a year, 2 years after the sale. If you'd like to get on a strategy call with me to discuss about what your options are as you prepare to sell your business and how to transition it to a new buyer, reach out to us at the contact info below or at www.rbasells.com.